What's up guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. This vlog is all about drifting, so if you don't love cars, I suggest that you tune out now. For those that want to skip, I'll add in tags just in the description, so if you want to like go to a specific video, especially Team Y&Sons, which I know everybody wants to see. Though this vlog hasn't been, or I didn't record this vlog in the way that I really wanted to, especially after what happened at the event, which I can't go on making this video without talking about it. So unfortunately somebody died due to a stunt that actually went very wrong. I won't include that video in this particular video because I feel like it's very insensitive for someone to show such a video when someone lost their lives and there's someone grieving out there due to that. So mainly I wanted this vlog to be kind of very epic. I open it up, I show you around with all the cars that were at the event, because there were a bunch of very nice cars, which I will not deny. Very good drift cars, there were nice stunts, there were nice performances. Some went that nice, but yeah, it was a very good drift event. Just to make sure we even interview some of the guys, especially those that came from Zimbabwe and South Africa, Team Y&Sons in particular. I wanted to interview them and just make a really short video, just him talking about the car, what they have done to their cars, because those cars, or that particular car, was very fast in the drifting, and I feel like those people have wide spaces where they drift from, so it's basically them setting up their cars to have more grip, go faster than our spaces, which are very small, so people don't even go that fast. But it was nice seeing them. I don't want to prolong this intro, so I hope that you guys enjoy whatever I had recorded, and make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's all I'm asking from you guys, just give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
So happy that you reached the end of the vlog. So if you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which should be another exciting vlog that I'm happy for. It's been in the making. So, and unfortunately I was supposed to go to the rally event on the same particular day, which I couldn't have done because the show started kind of late, which was supposed to start at 12 and ended up starting at 14. So that was very unfortunate. I wanted to have this vlog to be both of rally and drifting. So hope that you enjoyed. Do not forget to like and subscribe.